How to book seats on Singapore. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video you'll learn how you can book seats on Singapore Airlines. So booking seats on Singapore Airlines is not difficult at all. It is very simple and direct. The first step is to sign in into your Singapore account, and then you'll see your membership number, your number of miles, etc. Once you can see this, scroll down to the lowest part, to another part of the screen where you can see book trip, manage booking, check in, flight status, schedule, and then you can see book flights, redeem flight. Then the next step is to select your location and then your destination. Okay, so after selecting your destination, you then select a departure date as well as a return date. Then you can select the kind of class that you'd like to fly in. Then the number of passengers, then click on send. If you want to use express booking, you can do that. If not, you can click on not now, and then you wait for the number of the flights available to be displayed. So the flights available will be displayed, and then you can see them here. But by the top part of the screen, you can see different options, right? So you can see flight, passengers, seats, add-ons, and payment. Now, depending on the kind of class you choose, if you're on the economy class, or you would be asked to pay a particular amount of money for you to be able to select seats or book seats. But if you're on classes such as business and the first suit, you would be able to book seats for free. All right, so take note of that. So for the business, you can see different flights available. You can see the one where the first class is also available. So you can just select it, the one you want. Then you can see details about the flights by the time you scroll down. And then you can see seat selection complimentary. This means that you are able to book a seat, all right, without necessarily have to pay. So just click on select. Then you can check out other offers too if you're not satisfied with that. And then your returning flight, so check it out. If you can book a seat, so then click on select, and then go ahead and click on proceed, and then you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the passenger details page. On this page, fill in details about your journey. All right, and then after filling in details, you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the seat stage. Yeah, you can now go ahead and book your seats since you have checked out the flight and you can see that it's complimentary. That means that you can select seat. So after filling in details about the passenger, just move to the next stage of the go to seat selection and then select your seat. And after selecting your seat, if you want to add more things, you can do that. Then go ahead to make your payment and you are good to go. So that is it. This is how you can book seats on Singapore Airlines. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.